Imagine two people. They earn almost the same money. They live in the same world. After 10 years, one is always worried about money. The other feels safe and calm. They didn't win the lottery. They didn't get lucky. They just followed small money habits every day. Today, I'll tell you 10 small money habits that quietly make people rich over 5 to 10 years. We're not talking about fast money. We're not talking about big risks. We're not talking about becoming rich overnight. This is about slow money, quiet money, money that grows while you live your normal life. Think of it like planting a tiny seed. You don't see anything at first, but if you water it every day, one day it becomes a big tree. Let's start. Habit number 1. Always spend less than you make. This is the most important habit. Imagine you have 10 candies. If you eat all 10, you have 0 left. But if you eat only 8 and save 2, soon you'll have a pile of candies. Rich people do this with money. Example, someone earns $2,000 a month. They live on $1,700. The $300 saved every month becomes powerful over time. Small gap, big future. Habit number 2, pay yourself first. This means saving money before spending it. Think of money like water in a bucket. If you wait until the bucket is empty, there's nothing to save. Example, when money comes in, rich people save first, even if it's just $50. They don't wait. They don't think. They save first. That habit builds wealth quietly. Habit number 3, keep money simple. Rich people like simple money. Too many bank accounts, too many apps, too many plans. That gets confusing. Example, one savings account, one spending account, one clear plan. Simple money is easier to control, and money you control grows better. Habit number 4, avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but bad debt eats your future. Bad debt is money you borrow for things that disappear. Example, borrowing money for expensive clothes, borrowing money for things you don't need. Rich people avoid this. They don't let tomorrow pay for today. Habit number 5, save for emergencies. Life surprises everyone. Cars break, phones break, people get sick. Rich people prepare before problems happen. Example, having 3 to 6 months of savings. That money doesn't make you rich fast, but it protects you from going backwards. Safety is wealth. Habit number 6, be patient with money. Money grows slowly, very slowly. Think of an ice cube melting. Nothing happens at first, then suddenly it melts. Example, saving and investing small amounts every month. No excitement, no drama. But after years, it adds up. Rich people wait. Poor habits rush. Habit number 7, learn before you earn. More rich people learn about money before they chase more of it, because more money with bad habits just disappears faster. Example, someone earns more but spends more. They feel no richer. Another person learns budgeting, saving, and patience first. Then their income grows. Knowledge protects money. Habit number 8, track where money goes. If you don't watch your money, it runs away, like a kid in a playground. Example, writing down expenses, checking bank statements, not to feel bad, but to understand. Rich people always know where their money goes. Habit number 9, think long-term. Rich people think in years, not days. They ask, will this help me in 5 years? Example, buying things that last, making decisions slowly, avoiding quick wins. Long-term thinking keeps money growing. Habit number 10, stay calm with money. This is the quietest habit. No panic, no fear, no rush. Example, when markets fall, rich people don't scream. When money feels tight, they don't quit. They stay calm. Calm money decisions are usually good ones. Closing story, 1 minute. Most rich people don't feel rich at first. They feel boring, careful, slow. Then one day, they look back 5 or 10 years later, and they realize those small habits changed everything. Not overnight, not loudly, quietly. Final message. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to be lucky. You just need small habits, done again and again. If you want to learn about money in a simple way, if you want calm, real-life financial lessons, subscribe to learn about money from us. We'll grow together.